friends, welcome in our own teacher channel, class 7th English, chapter number 1.6 in a class of their own. In this video we will see part 2, language study and workshop both. Before starting the workshop, if you are not subscribed to the channel, so please subscribe to get the notification of new video. So let's start. Question 1. Discuss the meaning of the following statements and translate them into your mother tongue. या ठिकाणी आपण दिलेल्या वाक्यांचे मराठीमध्ये भाषांतर करूया. We must make her proud of us. त्यांना आपला अभिमान वाटायला हवा. We will make it possible. आपण हे शक्य करून दाखवू. See what I mean. मी काय म्हणते आहे. This will not do. बिलकुल चालणार नाही. Something is at work in this class. I'm sure. मला खात्री आहे या वर्गात नक्कीच काहीतरी सुरू आहे. She was all smiles. त्यांना खूप आनंद झाला होता. Many of us did too well. आमच्यापैकी बऱ्याच जणांनी चांगली प्रगती नक्कीच केली. I have let the whole class down. माझ्यामुळे संपूर्ण वर्गाला शर्मेने मान खाली घालावी लागली. That's quite a leap. ही अगदी लक्षात येण्यासारखी प्रगती आहे. Question 2. Write any one of the following dialogues. A. A dialogue between two friends about their studies. Rita. Hello Seema, how are you? Seema. Fine, thank you. Rita. Are you ready for exam? Seema. No, not fully. I have not yet touched history. What about your study? Rita. You know, math is a problem for me. I just don't remember the formula. Seema. You can practice more, then you will be able to handle math easily in the exam. Rita. Yes, I will practice. Anyway, thanks for your suggestion. Seema. It's all right. B. A dialogue between a teacher and a student about studies. Riya. Good morning, ma'am. Teacher. Good morning, Riya. How is your preparation going on? Riya. Doing my best, ma'am. But I still have some problems in English. Teacher. What is problem? Riya. About spelling. I learn, but I can't remember properly. Teacher. Don't worry. You should write the spelling of each word at least 5 times. Then use these words in your own sentences. Riya. Thank you, ma'am, for your valuable guidance. Now I will practice. Teacher. You are most welcome. A dialogue between a parent and a child about studies. Child. Good afternoon, Dad. Parent. Good afternoon. How was your day? Child. Today ma'am took a surprise test. Parent. You did well, didn't you? Child. No, Dad. I thought that I will revise them all near midterm exam. Parent. That is wrong. Child. But I cannot get time to learn my daily lesson. Parent. If you will revise your daily lesson at home, then any time you will remember the concepts. Child. I haven't time to study at home. Parent. Just give an hour daily to your study. Definitely you will get good marks in exam. Child. Okay, Dad. I will study regularly at home. Question 3. What rules would you like to make for yourself? I will wake up at 5 a.m. and study language. I will do yoga, exercise. I will help my father in the shop. I will read English newspaper daily. your class. Each student should complete the given homework regularly. No use of foul language in the class. Every student should help to keep the classroom clean. No one will remain absent in the tests. Question 4. Prepare a card for your friend wishing him or her the best of luck or all the best in an examination. Best of luck for your examination, dear Deepika. Question 5. Find and write 3 examples each of the past, present and future tense from the story. Present tense. We must make her proud of us. She is the maths genius in our class. It's a rule and you have to follow it. Past tense. We sat together to discuss the plan of action. She congratulated each one of us personally. She spotted the change within a week. Future tense. They will visit us at home. Will Desai Madam be proud of a class of cats? And you will not believe this happened. Now let's start language study. Common noun number 3. Common nouns can be classified in one more way: concrete noun and abstract noun. Now, concrete noun. Concrete nouns stand for things that you can actually touch or see. Concrete nouns म्हणजे आपण ज्यांना स्पर्श करू शकतो, पाहू शकतो. फॉर एक्झाम्पल स्कूल, होम, कार्ड्स, बटरफ्लाईज, चाइल्ड. आणि दुसरा प्रकार आहे abstract noun. Abstract nouns stand for ideas, qualities, feelings, action, etc. Abstract noun हे आपण पाहू शकत नाही किंवा त्यांना स्पर्श करू शकत नाही. जसं की एखादी युक्ती, एखादा गुण, भावना, कृती यांना आपण abstract noun असे म्हणू शकतो. लाईफ टाइम, युनिटी, प्रोग्रेस, हॅपीनेस, चाइल्डहुड हे आपण जाणवू शकतो पण त्याला स्पर्श करू शकत नाही. मूवमेंट, मॅथमॅटिक्स. Can you spot at least 3 abstract nouns in the following paragraph? या ठिकाणी उत्तरातून 3 abstract noun आपण शोधूया. We put the plan of action in motion immediately. We did this without letting any of the teachers in the secret. We wanted to give Mrs. Desai a surprise, but she's really too good. She spotted the change within a week. यातील abstract nouns plan, secret, change and surprise. Common noun 4. You know that plural form of nouns have s, es or ies at the end, but the plural of some noun are formed differently. They are called irregular plurals. Look at the following form. आपल्याला सिंग्युलर आणि प्लुरल हे माहित आहे. सिंग्युलरचे प्लुरल करत असताना नियमाप्रमाणे आपण यस लावतो. जर यस, यस एच, सी एच, एक्स, ओ असतील तर आपण ईएस लावतो आणि वाय असेल तर वाय कटतो आणि आयईएस असे लावून त्याचा आपण प्लुरल फॉर्म बनवत असतो. पण काही सिंग्युलरचे प्लुरल करत असताना या नियमांचा त्या ठिकाणी वापर केला जात नाही. त्यांना इररेग्युलर प्लुरल फॉर्म असे म्हणतात. काही आपण उदाहरणे पाहूया. चाइल्ड, चिल्ड्रन, मॅन, मेन, वुमन, उमेन, माउस, माइस, फूट, feet, leaf, leaves. Collect examples of regular and irregular plurals, at least 20. Singular आणि plural form आपण पाहूया. Boy, boys, fruit, fruits, table, tables, chalk, chalks, shop, shops, book, books, pen, pens, game, games, bat, bats. हे रेग्युलर वर्ड्स आहेत. या ठिकाणी फक्त यस हा प्लुरल करत असताना ऍड झालेला आहे आता आपण इर्रेग्युलर पाहूया. उल्फ, wolves, knife, knives, loaf, loaves, ox, oxen, man, men, woman, women, mouse, mice, child, children, louse, lice. या ठिकाणी शेवटच्या अक्षरांमध्ये बदल झालेला आहे. काही वेळा पहा एफ किंवा एफ ई असेल, एक नियम या ठिकाणी लागू पडतो. एफ किंवा एफ ई असेल तर तो कटतो आणि व्हीईएस हा ऍड केला जातो. So friends, thanks for watching this video. So don't forget to like and share. And if you have any problem regarding this video, then please comment me.